With the release of 23.7, there are two important updates. One is the new governance report view, and the other is some updates to the report list view. We'll start with the new governance report view. When the governance module is selected, you will see the new layout looks similar to the reports module layout. For reference, here's a picture of the governance module on releases prior to 23.7. Along the left-hand side, the views are separated. My Reports will show all reports that you own, along with any report that has been shared with you. All Reports is still permission-based and will only show reports created in this module by any user. The My Portfolios are any portfolios that you have created versus All Portfolios, which again is permission-based, that will show any portfolio made by any user. When the governance library is selected, the Report and Portfolio Library option will appear with access to our best practice suggestions for both options. If the governance report library is selected, there is a keyword search to help narrow down the list in the top right-hand corner. Back on the My Reports view, the common filters can be used to limit this report view. Remember, this view is going to show all reports that you own along with any that have been shared with you. Use this owner filter to easily identify the difference between the two reports. The usage common filter refers to the usage column that will display an icon for reports that have been added to dashboards or are scheduled reports. Use this filter to only display these type of reports. With this 23.7 release, there is new bulk action functionality. Users can perform one action on many reports using this feature. The multi-select checkboxes will appear on the My Reports view along with the All Reports view. Once the top checkbox is selected, all reports will be highlighted and the Bulk Actions drop-down menu illuminates. With this new functionality, the system will do a series of permission checks to only display the functionality the user has permissions to perform. The first check is when the Bulk Actions option is selected. Behind the scenes, it will check my permission to only show the bulk actions I have the ability to perform. This role has permission to perform all of the options on the drop-down menu. Once I select one of these options, another permission check will be performed. For example, I want to share all of these reports I have selected. Once I select Share, it will then do another permission check. To be able to reassign or share a report, you must be the owner of the report or be a user with editing privileges. If you are not, then the system will only allow you to perform the selected actions on the reports in which this requirement is fulfilled. It will not touch the other reports. It noticed I owned 3 of the reports, but I had selected 4. It displays this red text to inform me that I will only be able to share 3 of the 4 selected reports. Another permission check it will perform is when users are entered into the Add Users field. Any user who does not have access to view reports will not appear in the search to be chosen. The report list page has some of these new updates that we've already discussed in the governance module. The bulk action functionality will appear on the My Reports view along with the All Reports view. The usage column has been updated to reflect 2 new icons. If a report has been categorized or tagged as an A report or an intelligent filter, the usage column now has a filter to limit the view of this list. Also, this usage column dropdown can also act as a legend to help identify which icons represent which type of reports. This concludes the new features for the 23.7 release.